actually worked. Whoa, totally sick.
Strange, I haven't run into any sick ghosts lately. Spook too soon. Snot slime! Rust out my digital berry powers.
Good idea, and I believe I have just the berry to melt your troubles away. No idea.
Well, too late to be picky. Hey, buzz off!
Stop! The little fella's on our side. He's the antivirus I've been working on. I created this computer bug to gobble.
It wasn't about to turn me into a cyber snack. Hey, I'm the one that's supposed to be doing the eating around here, so sure hope Cersei's building a mousetrap. Don't think there's one big enough for that thing.
Hack, your electromagnetic pulse waves should turn that cyber mouse into pixel dust. Then again, maybe not. But worth a try.
Here goes. Uh-oh. My electromagneton's out of control. All right, the magnetic pulse stopped him. Oops. And me too.
Don't worry. Clyde will pound the pixels out of that monster for trying to hurt my precious puddin' pack.
Pacifist.
Yeah, well, you'll get a pinky fist if you don't get going.
All right, but I'm still against violence.
Oh, well, thanks for trying, guys. That looks like one of Dr. Behead's control chips. Maybe if I can get close enough to blast it, I can bring this bad bud down. Take control! Stay! Okay, it was a long shot. So now what?
Don't worry, my pack pie. Self.
Too late, even if I had a power berry.
But not for a digital doggy treat. Congratulations, Packer Boy.
Practice Cersei, come in! Come in! Looks like I'm on my own.
Not when your pinkums is by your side.
Cool! Okay, so we've got to get to the center of this maze.
Clyde will...
See you later!
Oh, well. Good luck, Packums.
I'm definitely gonna need it!
Hurry up already! Smash that trespasser into digital dust! I'm taking over, you useless nitwit!
Get ready to fly!
hero delivered my bug just in the nick of time.
Hello? Can anyone hear me? Mission accomplished. Hack? Whoa. That was way weird.
Are you feeling okay?
As in, all in one piece?
I guess so. Only thing I know for sure is I'm mega hungry.
No! Fuck!
Almost as much as they.